Hi, I am Tony Mould and I live in Michigan. I have extensive background in training and development across different roles. I'm currently seeking opportunities to help organizations solve performance and business problems through learning and emerging technologies such as AI. I decided to find a certificate program that explored how AI changes various functions in organizations and wanted to learn more about the available tools and capabilities and the possible challenges. I discovered an article in Forbes magazine that highly recommended Simplilearn's program, the University of Michigan, and I decided to take it. I think the program has been really good. I think I have achieved my learning goals. The content is very relevant. The instructors have done a great job. And I also had the opportunity to engage in discussions with other learners. Personally, I see myself using everything I'm learning in many aspects of my professional life. For instance, I see myself supporting teams, applying the strategies and tools I have acquired, and improve efficiency in the learning and development content creation process. I'm very excited about the impact it will have in my personal life and my relationships too. I see myself having more time to spend outdoors with my family and to dedicate to my hobbies, traveling, learning French, and participating in martial arts competitions, for instance. The main message I will take to senior leaders about AI is simple. If applied correctly, they can get an enormous competitive advantage in the marketplace. I also believe they should dedicate resources to train their workforce in the use of AI so they can pair their accumulated knowledge and expertise with AI's extraordinary capabilities, and that way create immense opportunities for innovation and growth.